Too much GH nie. Ghana for ahwefo etiefo. Onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no. Subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu. One God nie. The only one God in GH. Eho ana de bia mehwe. Abrochefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo. Too much GH.
Abusuafo ene adofnom munuaba ekwesikapa ena motimini na ebra edru soyi eye Ghana wahala dwumede sede mo amunim no ensam de kootwi ekobrema ya ha ena wonya nidosopo na sede etenti ya yenyai echeso anada ne dade achimbia so yete asem foforo no ensam no yetiam ewose yedomu esuko etwetwemu na yede ebesom mo na mo nsusu mu hunia ekoso ewo manmu trending issues na ha ena chese ye tunu obia ebebefa na wono nsuso ekokoka nediem na ene day sofopanyi bi ababa bekasa afa Bishop Daniel Wobinim ne enim guasia na ase ne nsem ababeda bedwamu ne hu nkoneba no wababa becheche ensim bi emu ama ye hu se ade no ade achese ya hye hu nkom da na enye se bi afei na nipa bi pese wo mugu nanimu ase keka na se ade nyankopon waka ne dada na abusuafo muma ye mbonra ensem no emu ye papa ya de nyina Reverend Isaac Owusu Ebempa edi ababa betu edwa ese Obinim's humiliation was long prophesied, but I couldn't stop it. We enen samua wodi etu edwa na chese Bishop Daniel Obinim, founder and leader of International God's Way Church. Nanim guasia anane tu a die Ghana fo bebre na buno sell or say no wanya sofu biem na say yantoto ne nsorim no osesa anim guase ne nyina yenkomhya eba da na no wontimi nya bibia emfa ho na abusua sede munim no Bishop Daniel Obinim ho nsensem start ya na say sorry no ne cover by every honorable Kennedy Japan wonom ene di kan ene abrante no ede face so ye tournamento we kana we yaka we de ne dia ba na we de ne dia ba was ema was expose Obinim say wo ye gold dealer wo ye fraudster or ye money launderer ne de keka hu nyina wo keka nsem bebre na ne nyina mu no nso no wo de evidence na efa ne nsem wo keka ne nyina ebebetu edwa enu ebiem ekokoda ye ema demon breaker wono nso so Michael Adu wo de ne de ebebetu a eso ekeka de wono nso so wonim efa edifo atrofo eho ema Obinim nso so ne din epiemu ebiemu abrante bi nso so eba ya na chese wono nso ne din ede Foster na wodi etu edwa na chese Obinim ebu omo ede afaso abusua agudie gold wafa wakunkum wo maame ni nua ene nkrofo bebre eka ho entinsem wo bebetu edwa na Ghana fo bebre ehu ne sem ebra ason se mampanyi wontu ne nso na ensori bi sei no wontutum wo mane operate se start se ye already brand de free ensori so a ni nyina no won close Obinim na sorry because they say de ne din edi atese na eningwase eba no ehu ebehia yie pam na ensem sa ekoso no ebinum kwa de hye Reverend Owusu Pastor wono enetai Canada Japan wachi ane enkrofo ne na tufo ne nti no mugu Obinim ehu efi no na ene de nsem a ode etu edwane se se ngwasie yi sa ensem a eba ne nyina no ade a Pastor Sunshine Anaba a prophesy ede afa ho that was 2 years ago na enya de se anase woni tumi bia se wobetimi asesa ne nti binum ka se yegu asofo wani mu asia asofo binum eneta akire no enya sa enete ade a yedi kan aka na Nyankopon ada na di enam ne di yeso ede abatu edwa da enti ade na it was long prophesy enya afei ena bia nipa na ye na adwe so wo pese wogu Bishop Daniel Obinim enimu ase na emom Nyankopon a ena pese Ghana fo ehunu se de eko enie enti no ye ma ye ni enda ho na moma ye nkotie ne nsam nam wodi etu edwa no. God revealed to Prophet Sunshine Anaba 2 years ago that some Ghanaian prophets and pastors will lose their status. That is, they will fall from grace to grace. In the year 2020, he added that his name was on the list of the pastors who would face problem, and it came to pass. He stressed on the fact that he had no power to stop Honorable Kennedy Ejapong from exposing Obinim because it was an act from God, even though he didn't appreciate it. We any a year and someone wadi etu edwana chese enkomhye no ebaye abrawo no krampo na ne din ewo mu bie ana chese ensama ye kan ede fan ne ho no ni nyina ebe mu say obe face some attacks ne ho kon ba na ya mpanso so mo be kaya wo ba bonten edu betu dwa na wo kokuma say wakwa ye program hotel wakoda attacks e ba ye etututu ne ho kon ba ni nyina nam eye enkomhye 2 years ago prophet and as a software sunshine anaba editu edwane to no ankanta ne de na eno ema ebiemu yenua bema no esade tu dwa no kasem asofo binum ensuso ehwo beba atimom be free from grace to grace into who ne say obinim eka those fake prophets and our pastors nam sunshine anaba ebo womo anase ebo womo kokko se womo anhwe ya na se womo antutu womo kwan ya enungwasese ebeka no de wono ne se ene wan se wono bebe owusu bempa obekwa kokache wono bo Kennedy Ejapong said de woye no wonjai anase wonye dem wonto aso enti wono do hu ni se nyankopon na expose womo ense emfata se womo eka ne nsempa anase womo etwe nyamema ede free ne nan ase no enti wono de wontimi nka nche Kennedy Honorable Kennedy Ejapong say there woye no wonjai no so wontimi nka nche ne se wonto aso because ade a enkomhye abadada na nyankopon nam Kennedy so na de ebiepie ni nyina eso enti those simulation na so for womanim ebegu ase 2020 yi ni nyina enkomhye abadada enti ma obia emfa nani enkonkosue asomasi ana wo benten so ma ne emfa nani ensi sofo bi so sofo asomasi na se bia menene wanta wa bi ana se menene no eni in good terms nti na ebia wa hyeda abo obi pass wo memegu mani mu ase no mekam bibi boni bi emfam unemum enkomhye nyankopon ede etu edwa dadadada efa ne difo anase nyame nipa pastor sunshine anaba eso enti ade a ewo ho dada ne enye obia enetai humiliation a ekoso ewo obirim ene asofo aka no abrabom we ene ensem a prophet and reverend Isaac Owusu bempa wodi etu edwa na wodi nsem we egu apono su ewieye no ena Ghana fonso so esomu na eno ena ebinmu ne se de nya se nyankopon ne da na dipan dia ene na se pa se wo be ma ye hu asofo no wo mom firi nyame ene wo mo emfiri nyame na eno na ebinmu so se 2 years ago nyankopon etimi reveal ye ema muhunu se asofo binum wo mani mu begwu ase o mu be free grace akọ grass na so nyankopon entimi anka nche se sa 2020 na emu na obegu asofo binum ani mu ase no wankire mu se yare bi so ebeba na yenhwe ye hu ye we enyina ekire se mu nyina mu ye atrofo edifo na ebusuamu mu mai kokenkan adwenche no ebi Andrew Kote edia wode eba say one by one all those who have been using God's name to deceive and do people will go down end of the road yenya amas and so edia wode eba say don't worry you are next you don't want the man to talk even if he doesn't do it is someone else someone else who will bring it out before the year ends. Onu so edia no say who can say dey we nyina say dey be ya Kennedy one fan asem emba so na so kai hu say enche next person wo na wo so baba beda apa wano eso enti kan akoma krampo eto yem say nye Kennedy kra na de beba wo before ena de wo de ebeba na den ya before 2020 ebekọ na wieye no munina moto ebede edi yemia elabe edi awode eba ye or say master come for there don't tell us this we know we know that you all are not from God. Don't come and say as if you are right. Patrick Anan and so Ede Eba or say, your judgment came before Obinim's humiliation. How many women have you married? Who train most of the common who go around and call themselves men of God? You train Bedukobi, the seed and the plant. We couldn't take notice of your humiliation and judgment. 6 women as your spouse. The Samaritan woman did not meet Christ's qualification for lifelong water due to failure in marriage. Then your humiliation and judgment 13 testimony. A kettle calling a pot, it is black. And also so idea and no. Tony Tay idea or day Eba was saying, man, yours is coming very soon, so don't jubilate over your friends or your colleague humiliation. Ayeta guru and so Edward de Eba was saying, you yourself should start repenting, or else yours will be worse than Obinim. I say, repent now. We know you and we know where you are from and where you started all your things and where you are going to end. So please, it's better for you Owusu Bempa to repent. On so adventure and no. Sam Kobo Edward de Eba was say, look at you two. You are different from him. Yours is coming. Don't worry. Any proof that one who prophesied about these things happening and yourself is also not fake. Or not so idea and no. You have been so idea what they ever yourself. See who is talking. Reverend Osubempa, please hold your peace. We don't want your evangelism. We know that you are not from God. You are also a fake pastor as Bishop Daniel Obinim, and very soon your cup will be full. You think people don't know what you are doing in the dark. You are saying all this so that Kennedy and his squad will not descend on you, but don't worry. Kennedy there, his nonsense surpassed everything. He wouldn't even look at you, whether you are his friend or not. He will bring it on board. You know how he will. But yes, so he is in the party. So don't think of praising him, or don't think of saying anything that will make him feel okay. Because if you are part, he will surely descend on you. And also so na dwentra wodi etu eja eno na chese obia wo ye eye buchia na wo kwakọ frɛ eye kettle sɛ wono wo ye ayi tuntum na chese munyina mu ye the same skill sɛ obinim anim guase aba no sa enso so ɛna ɔno so ne de ebebabwe ene Ghana fo binom adwentra wo mo ede etu eja ebusua sɛ eye obinim anim guase yetimi e prophesy ye 2 years ago sɛ anim guase ni ebesi 2020 na sɛ eye COVID-19 de yentimi ho a prophesy sɛ ebeba na say ni say na be kode na te wo so hunu sɛ ye wa asofo ene ye wa asofo we any Reverend Owusu Bempa ne somebody to jo na che say obi no mani ngwase na enyankopon ene hye da prepare ye edigu akwamu ede ema no a na etwen no na emre pa no ene eye afi a ababeda edi na wonam eye Kennedy Japan eso ena che say wo revealing eye sa enoma we enyina eno na Ghana fo bi no hunu sɛ o kasa de we ama Kennedy timu aye ne dem ama wakata Owusu Bempa ta meche na say de be ya won Kennedy de ene won onyan kra wonyan because eye Kennedy won fa boga enye so won bu akwada embu panyi wono ne nwosra e wono so no won fa so ye na danfo wo ye ne yonko wudi bone a wo de be ba betu eja won so so ensem a eye Reverend Owusu Bempa e de tu dwa wadwuntwe e fa ho ene sen fa tu eja e ma ye na emrepe no ye be kenkan e de amam ebiem so chef mo abusuafo e wo all the social media platforms na ma remfi so be like your videos aha na de dwumedi no besi medin ene apia sikapa makram